everyone, I'm your Varick. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare the Asian style barbecue grilled chicken with two different flavors. First, mint flavor. Second, spicy tandoori chicken. If you're here the first time, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for future updates. Preparing a mint grilled chicken is a two-step process. First, marinating chicken with mint. Second, grilling the chicken. The first process is making the mint leaves. Look behind me! There are lots of beautiful vegetables. They are spinach, tomato, eggplant, and lots of zucchini. They are potato, coriander, meaty, and lots of mint. But only you need 8 to 10 mint leaves. Let's go pick the mint. This is 8 to 10 mint leaves. Place the chicken in a large dish. Spread the marinade all over the chicken and let it marinate at least 3 to 4 hours. More the marination time and more time for chicken to get seasoned. It is usually recommended the skin to be removed for barbecue chicken, and if you leave it, you will have crispy chicken. One other thing is that skin on chicken is more prone to flare-ups when grilling. Now it's time to cook the chicken. Start your grill and keep it covered until it reaches 450 degrees. Placing the marinated chicken on the hot grill, cook with the grill covered but stay close to watch for excess smoke, a sure indicator that your chicken is charring. You will have to watch the chicken more closely while it's on the grill and flip the pieces more often to avoid hot spots, all reasonable trade-offs for some extra flavor. Turn the chicken as often as needed to prevent burning and keep the grill cover on so the chicken cooks through quickly. Thank you for watching this video. Until we meet in the next video, take care and stay safe. Bye, friends!